2020 Chardonnay. And it's gonna be this one.
Oh, okay, this one.
It's going clockwise. So this one. Cheers. This one's better to me. Don't you think? Like it. All right.
So which one is the third one?
The third wine is the 2020 Summit Blanc. Summit Blanc is the third wine, and it looks like this. And we're gonna cheers. I like this one. Yeah, I like this one.
I like it.
This one.
Oh.
This one's very good.
What's the name again? Summit.
Summit Blanc.
Summit Blanc. What's the name?
So, a white Summit. This Blanc means what? They give me a lot of wine though. Now that I realize it. It's a lot of wine.
Yeah.
I'm glad we ate before. If we didn't eat, this would have
Oh, we
creeped up on
only
us.
have 3 minutes. So,
No, but I'm saying if we didn't eat.
so
before
now
we
we're done with the white wine. No, we still have.
We have one white,
yeah.
which is the dessert. That's a lot.
So the next one is we're moving to the red wine, right?
Yes.
So the next one is 2020 Cabernet Franc.
Yes, I like Frank's Cabernet Franc.
Yeah. So this is the 2020 Cabernet Franc. That's the
All
texture
right.
of it.
Cheers.
Cheers.
It's nice.
It's nice. It's smooth.
Very smooth. Very good. Nice.
Very smooth.
Very smooth. You would love it. It's good. I love
So the next one is 2020 Nothing.
it. Yes. 2020 Norton, yeah. Nortons are usually good.
Yeah, that reminds me of an antivirus called Nothing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Computer virus.
Yes, come here.
Cheers.
Let's see how it's gonna taste. Let's see how it's gonna taste.
That should be good.
It's
This
called Nothing.
This one is usually good with like steak or something.
It tastes so soft. The other one tastes so smooth.
Yeah, this will be good with steak. It tastes like a normal Norton. Steak or like salmon. It's a good dinner wine.
Yeah.
It's a dinner wine. Because Nortons are usually good dinner wine. I know a little bit of my wines. I've been to a couple different wine tastings. We used to always get the Norton with our other winery, wine club.
Wow. It tastes like as if it has some spice in it, like hot spice.
Yeah, I like Nortons. The Philip Carter with Norton is good. I want to finish it. All right.
So the last one is they call it a dessert wine.
It's called-
Dessert,
Yeah.
right? Dessert wine. It's 2019. It is 2019 late harvest.
Late harvest. Oh, it should be tasty.
Yeah, let's see.
Probably like with a cake or something.
Yeah, let's see.
Cheers.
Yes. God.
I like it. This is good.
Wow.
It's a good wine. It's not too sweet. I thought it would be more sweet.
It tastes very unique. I've never seen this taste before.
I like it.
Oh God. Share with me.
Their wines are good. You should come to Paradise. I will save this one a little bit. Baby. Wow. I'm not drinking it as quick as you. I'm saving it.
No. Let me slow. Let me slow it.
We drink quick. Didn't even take like we did the wine tasting in like 3 minutes.
Wow.
because of our third wedding anniversary, we received a glass of their award-winning champagne rosé. Such a beautiful wine, the color.
It is.
Also one of our wedding colors. It's like the Bellini peach. Cheers to many more wonderful years. Ah, refreshing.
I like the ambience, like the serenity and all that. Yeah.
Oh, I'm so glad you enjoy it.
Yeah, I did. We did enjoy it.
Do you like your wine?
Oh wow, it's so lovely. Yeah, so
I'm so
lovely.
glad to hear it.
The white wine, the last one, I don't know what it's called.
The late harvest?
Yeah.
The
Oh
sweet
God,
one?
that killed it.
Really? Oh, that's
Yeah.
so good.
Yeah.
Oh,
Do you guys have a website, like a link?
Yeah, we do. So this is actually like information about our wine club, but if you just Google us, it'll come up also. But I believe the website is, at least it was. Maybe it's not. Yeah, apparently
Yeah,
it's
that's
fine.
the website. So it's called Paradise Spring Winery.com.
Yeah.
Oh, that's good.
I'm so glad you guys enjoyed your time here on the anniversary.
Yeah, we did.
Good.
We did. You know, we don't want to go like far to celebrate because of, you know, pandemic and all that. So we should look up something local, and we
Yeah.
find this place.
Oh, good. That's so fun. Yeah, a lot of people are like always
So,
like discovering us like randomly.
Yeah, we will try and come back again, but that will be
good.
on weekend when we can have time to, you know, have a tour around.
Yeah. The weekends do get kind of crazy here depending
Yeah.
on
So what's your name?
I'm Julie.
Julie.
Happy
We love that.
anniversary.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
You're welcome.
And you,
Thank you.
thank you. What's your name?
Molly?
Ollie?
Molly.
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 Thank you.
All right. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Happy New Year.
Yeah, Happy New Year and stay safe, okay?
You too.
Yeah.